somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one.
통나무는 절반으로 퍼트레이 만들 준비합니다. 하고 싶어도 엄두도 내지 못한다는 소리였습니다. 그러나 내 메달은 그토록 눈에 있는 숙제들을 해결 중입니다. 나무를 세기로 고정 중입니다.
My breath, looking up, life moves in ways that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again, sinking in, back on the shore, one foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes and
조기드럼식으로 일직선 절단이 어렵지 않습니다. 커다란 15인치 원형톱 파이프 역할을 합니다. 재단할 곳을 표시 중입니다.
Embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, and still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start. Letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. Just wish you knew. That's just like me. I miss you as I need you. I want you. placate your body.
I miss you.